Hello and welcome to my Valuable Rare Coins channel, where we explore the fascinating world of rare and valuable coins. Today, we're diving deep into a true treasure, the USA Liberty $quarter coin from 1980, minted in Philadelphia. If you're a coin collector or just curious about hidden treasures in your pocket change, this video is for you. Let's start by talking about the history behind the Liberty $quarter. These coins, part of the Washington Quarter series, were introduced in 1932 to commemorate the 200th birthday of George Washington. Over the decades, these coins have become a staple in American currency, but not all quarters are created equal. Some, like the 1980p Liberty Quarter, have gained immense popularity for their rarity and potential value. The 1980p Liberty Quarter was minted at the Philadelphia Mint, and it features the familiar portrait of George Washington on the obverse, designed by John Flanagan. The reverse showcases the iconic eagle perched on a bundle of arrows, surrounded by olive branches, symbolizing strength and peace. The design might seem ordinary at first glance, but certain factors make this coin an extraordinary find. What makes the 1980p Liberty Quarter so special? First, let's talk about its minting. Over 635 million quarters were struck at the Philadelphia Mint in 1980, but not all of them are valuable. The condition, rarity, and any errors during production significantly influence a coin's worth. In the case of the 1980p Liberty Quarter, it's the elusive minting errors and pristine conditions that collectors are eager to find. Minting errors can turn a simple coin into a prized possession. Some errors on 1980p quarters include double die obverse strikes, off-center designs, and planchet flaws. These errors occur during production and are relatively rare, making them highly sought after by collectors. Coins with such unique characteristics often fetch premium prices at auctions. Beyond errors, the condition of the coin is equally crucial. Coins are graded on a scale from 1 to 70, with 70 representing a perfect, uncirculated coin. A 1980p Liberty Quarter in flawless condition, free of scratches, wear, or discoloration, can command a significantly higher value than one in average circulated condition. Coins graded as MS 65 or higher are especially desirable. If you happen to have a 1980p Liberty Quarter, it's time to take a closer look. Examine the coin carefully for any unusual markings or errors. Consider having it graded by a professional grading service to determine its true condition and value. A certified grade adds credibility and can greatly increase its desirability among collectors. Now, let's get to the part you've been waiting for, the potential value of this coin. While most 1980p Liberty Quarters are worth face value or a few dollars in circulated condition, those in pristine, uncirculated condition with unique errors can be worth significantly more. In fact, some of these coins have been known to fetch extraordinary prices at auctions. One exceptional example of the 1980p Liberty Quarter sold for an astonishing $80,000. Yes, you heard that right. $80,000 for a single quarter. So, before you dismiss the change in your pocket or that jar of coins collecting dust at home, take a moment to check. You might just discover a hidden treasure worth far more than 25 cents. That's all for today's exploration of the 1980p Liberty $quarter. If you found this video helpful and want to learn more about rare coins and their values, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Who knows? Your next big find could be closer than you think. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.